Hey guys, so as you know, we're on our way to Nambiti. It is in Ladysmith in South Africa, so we're driving from Johannesburg today, and Nambiti is about 4 hours from Johannesburg. We just stopped at the halfway stop at Bergview, and another hour before we get to Nambiti, so we can't wait to share this holiday with you. And it's been about 2 months since we've been in the bush, so we're really looking forward to it. Our first time in Nambiti. We've heard a lot about it. My sister recently visited the same lodge that we're visiting, so we've heard a lot of good things and was obviously recommended by her. So let's see how it goes, and we're going to share the experience with you. Okay, so guys, this is the town of Ladysmith. We're driving through to get to the car park where we're going to be collected. So this is the little town, and this is the, looks like kind of like a main street with loads of shops and stuff. It's a Sunday, so it's very quiet. So we just passed the town of Ladysmith and we're heading towards Newcastle, actually on the N11. Okay, so we just took the T45 off the N11. And it is a fairly flat road, but it is a gravel road. If we come across any challenges along the way, I'll try and keep you updated. But for now, it looks fairly drivable in a sedan. Hey guys, I'm standing at the junction at the corner of T45 and T46. As you can see, the road signs, everything road signs behind me. We are going to be headed right, so we're going to go to Nambiti Hills. Guys, we are at the Big Five Private Game Reserve in Ladysmith in South Africa. We have just arrived at what is called the Woodlands Gate. We're going to make our way to the car park. We have just arrived. Little shop, and let's check out this amazing view. This is so wow. And this is our dining area where we have in all our meals. This amazing view, and let's check out the bar area. This is like where you'll wait before your game drive, and this is the bar area. Cool. This is our room. So we have this most amazing bed, and there's a tea and coffee station and a place for you to chill. Then check out the outside view. See. Oh my, how inviting is this bathtub? Sure. And you got this amazing view whilst you chill here. I love the touches. Love it. And okay, the Lulu double sink and a cool shower, heated towel rails for winter. Very, very cool. on our first drive, and we've just seen an elephant and some wildebeest, so I think it's gonna be it's a good sign and it's a good start, and lovely scenery and a lovely afternoon. The wind has picked up, so let's hope that it calms down a bit so the animals start coming out. Glorious day. Oh wow, this is amazing. Alright, there we go. Thank you. Oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. Obviously outside, and you can hear the birds, and just being out in nature, and it was absolutely silent and serene and really got us to relax. Obviously very puffy eyes because I had a very good sleep, but yeah, it's a wonderful way to start the week. Coming to you from Nambiti. We're staying at Nambiti Hills in the Nambiti Game Reserve. It is in KwaZulu-Natal, and it's about 4 hours from Johannesburg. We got here on a Sunday, so we're here on the weekdays. It's fairly quiet. It's a family-friendly lodge. So we've also seen some kids here as well with their parents and some families together. We've been on a few game drives now, and we've had some really good sightings. So we've seen, it is a Big 5 reserve, so we've seen lion, we've seen buffalo, we've seen elephant, and we've seen rhino, both white rhino and black rhino whilst we're here. So it's been an incredible few days, plus like loads of giraffe and impala and zebra, etc. The reserve is really cool. There are some patches where there's like some long, it almost looks like grasslands, like long grass and stuff, but most of the reserve is full of acacia trees and rolling hills, and I'm going to show you some of that. Some of the things that you need to know, like we do always, is that these game vehicles don't go off-road, so they stay on the demarcated roads, and there's about 10 lodges in the Nambiti Reserve, so you've got loads to choose from. Like I said, we at Nambiti Hills. Has been absolutely luxurious and wonderful. They pay a lot of attention to detail. We've had a very comfortable bed and luxurious shower. Rooms are always neat and clean. It's just, yeah, it's been like the accommodation's been really cool. They have thought of everything. Beautiful bathtub that overlooks the reserve. So it's really cute. So the one thing I really love about what they do is that they are quite discreet, so you never really see when someone's cleaning your room, especially when you're away for the game drives. You come back in the evening they from your afternoon game drives, there's a turn down service. They always leave you a little nighttime treat, which we really appreciated. And yeah, so from that perspective, the accommodation's been really amazing, and the lodge is, as you can see behind me, it's really beautiful. The staff have been absolutely fantastic. Just everybody in like such a great mood all the time, and so friendly, and they really you know, pay attention to your every need, and they treat all the guests alike. What was really wonderful to note about being in Nambiti is that the team here is so diverse. So there's like everybody from all different backgrounds in South Africa, which is really wonderful to see, and like so well balanced, and it was really encouraging to see that. Hey guys, so we're on our way back to Johannesburg, but I thought whilst we're driving, I have some time to answer some of the questions that you asked me. So we had one question from one of our followers on Instagram. She asked us if the lodge could accommodate their dietary requirements, which are halal. So we had a chat to the manager on duty, and he advised us that their meat is from a halal supplier. They don't have obviously a Muslim chef, but the food is prepared separately, and the meat is from a halal supplier, except I think for the game meat, of course. So be rest assured that if you are eating only halal food, that they'll be able to cater for you. You'll just need to give them a few extra days notice, obviously, so they can plan accordingly. Okay, so guys, with families, I think Nambiti Hills is also a family-friendly lodge, so you can definitely bring your kids along.